told me never to use sports hands. By the time you know how to do it, you won't be following my orders anymore.
Repetition does become fast becoming.
Patroclus, my cousin. Tissues, Imobitaka.
You and Paris, man. I miss them. We need to go.
That we are not here at Agamemnon's wedding.
I'm not asking you to fight for him. I'm asking you to fight for the Greeks.
Greece, is Ajax going to Troy?
Of course, we're sending the largest fleet that ever sent 1,000 ships.
Prince Hector as a good warrior as Christian.
The best of all Trojans. Some say it's better. With the Greeks too. Even his
Lay your tricks on me if you like, but leave my cousin out of it.
we sailed for Troy in 3 days. This war will never be forgotten. Lower the heroes who fight in it.